In this video, we'll learn how to integrate a crypto payment API with Finassets. I'll be using a demo account for this tutorial. If you'd like to follow along, you can find the link to the demo account in the description box below. Let's get started. First, from your Finassets dashboard, click on the API Docs and Integration tab. Next, click the Add API Key button to begin creating a new key. In the field provided, enter a name for your API. Once that's done, click Create. You'll now be asked to enter your two-factor authentication code from your Authenticator app. Your API key has now been created. Here, you'll see two important values, your API key and your secret key. Make sure to copy and store them somewhere safe. If you ever need to make changes, you can do that by clicking the Edit button next to the API you just created. From here, you can update the API name and add specific IP addresses for extra security. Once you're finished making changes, click Update to save everything. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to follow us.